The laptop or smartphone you're using right now is a fully capable money printing machine. You don't need a fancy degree, you don't need coding skills, and you need exactly $0 to get started. The internet is flooded with online gurus trying to sell you $500 AI courses that you do not need. Forget that. Today, we are breaking down 5 legitimate, high-demand AI side hustles that you can launch on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork tonight, before you go to sleep. In the digital economy, immediate execution beats expensive gatekeeping. Let's skip the fluff, because getting started carries zero financial risk. Here's the baseline math. We target a conservative $25 to $50 per gig. Just 5 clients a week puts an extra $125 to $250 in your pocket. Scale to 2 orders a day, and you'll make an extra $1,000 a month. Handling 2 orders a day creates a volume that large agencies aren't structured to compete with. This high-frequency approach generates a predictable income stream through simple, repeatable tasks, rather than the uncertainty of pitching high-ticket contracts. Here is exactly how to do it. Hustle number 1 is AI-powered social media captioning. Local small businesses, independent content creators, and real estate agents have plenty of video clips, but they lack the time and copywriting skills to write engaging captions and hooks. Head over to platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and set up a gig titled, "I will write high-retention viral hooks and captions for your Reels and TikToks." When a client sends you their video topic, use the free version of ChatGPT. Feed it a prompt like, "Act as an expert copywriter and write 3 high-converting hooks for this topic." Look at this split screen. On the left is a dull corporate block of text. On the right, you see the result after taking 5 minutes to refine and polish the AI output. Each delivery recovers an hour of the client's workday, while using optimized hooks to increase their audience retention. By the way, if you're getting value from this and want to smash your financial goals, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button right now and comment AI below. Hustle number 2, AI brand kit elements. Startups desperately need clean logos and social media profile icons, but they don't want to pay a premium agency thousands of dollars to get them. Take the client's concept and run it through Canva's free Magic Studio or a free AI image generator to produce rapid prototypes. This sleek presentation layout shows the crucial final step. You take the raw AI output and drop it into a clean branding frame like this. That polished professional presentation is the deciding factor. It turns a free AI image into a highly sellable $30 asset you can deliver in less than 15 minutes. Hustle number 3 is AI content optimization. Right now, companies are generating thousands of blog posts using AI, but that raw text reads as robotic, dense, and boring. Businesses are actively hiring freelance editors specifically to format, fact-check, and add human emotion back into these outputs. This wireframe shows a dense, unreadable wall of gray text. You do not write anything from scratch. Use ChatGPT to break that text down into clean bullet points and bold headers. Strategic keyword placement converts a wall of text into an SEO-ready article. Because the heavy lifting of writing is already done, your monetizable skill is simply structuring existing data. That justifies a highly sought-after $25 an hour gig. Hustle number 4, selling custom prompt kits. Local fitness gyms, neighborhood dental clinics, and boutique retail shops know they should use ChatGPT to save time, but they have no idea what to actually type into the prompt box. This pristine document shows the solution. You spend one evening compiling 50 highly specific prompts for a single niche, like real estate, into a master document. Package it up nicely and list it as a downloadable digital product deliverable on Fiverr for $25. You build the asset once, and you sell the exact same file infinitely to different clients. That creates true passive income with zero marginal cost. This massive, expanding waveform represents our final hustle. Podcasters love recording audio, but despise the tedious process of writing show notes from 40-minute episodes. To solve this, drop their raw audio file into a free transcription tool to extract the base text. Then ask ChatGPT to summarize that massive transcript into a professional, bulleted list of show notes optimized for Spotify and Apple Podcasts. Podcasters will happily pay $40 to $50 per episode to offload this exact task from their weekly workflow. You are combining 2 free AI tools into a seamless pipeline. That solves a severe workflow bottleneck, allowing you to charge a premium for the convenience. Look, the tools are completely free, the market demand is surging, and the only remaining barrier is taking action. To avoid analysis paralysis, here is your challenge for tonight. Select exactly one of these 5 workflows to focus on. Set up your freelance profile immediately and drop a comment below saying Day 1 started. I will personally reply to as many as I can to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because tomorrow on Day 2, I'm testing a secret AI gig that pays $40 an hour. Consuming content without taking action will not put money in your pocket. Real wealth generation begins with the first concrete step you take tonight. Let's get to work, and I'll see you tomorrow.